Sam Black and white. Cheer Mapu. Hey. I haven't seen our mate in a while. Cheer my bro. Cheer Qui-Gon Jinn. I heard he was doing the old roadworks supervisor. I was like, how did you get that job? Cheer whanau, hope everyone's well. DJ Boss, Sydney. Cheer brother. Vixar, thank you very much for the bits. Didn't have to, but much appreciated. I want to play lab, even though I can, but ko te scared. DMCA. Oh, frickin' hype train. This fella's been too married up. I think he's just a yes man now. I was gonna go see him this weekend, see how he's been. Bloody hype train. I don't feel it out. Sure, no man, and just bloody no ears. Have you fellas sent your fellas Secret Santas out? Spud Fox, it's on Spotify, brother. I gotta update it anyway. Oh, sturdy butter, that's enough, brother. Thank you very much for gifting us up. And Imski and Joey Lunchbox at the biddies as well, much appreciated. Hey, brother Cookie. So, brother from England, can't wait to go back to New Zealand. Cheer, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. 7 months, yeah, hopefully lockdown or this COVID crap goes away. Oh, come on, guys. Yeah, my bro, my secret has been sent out. Yeah, you took my secret. You've been, Mr. Last Chance, gifted a sub as well. Much appreciated, whanau. You honestly don't have to, though. And then Soul Zero. Oh, you bloody eggs. Okay, let's do the paho, eh? Or the beard. Hey, Alex of the Hood. Thank you very much, Alex Hood. And Alec Wheatley. Don't ask for subs, man. That's not how I like things to go here. You get one when you get one. Don't ask for one. Even though I'd rather not. Thank you, guys. How hard is it to get into wood carving? I mean, all you need is chisels and timber and start. This is the first time I've gone out a traditional Māori wood carving. It's testing me really bad. Cheer, Edu. Cheer, my bro. How are you? Sampusi. Hello, brother. Very much up here or something. Hey. Ah, Soul Zero. Gifted another sub. I just went live and I seen Thunder went live. My bad. Must be redoing his art. So if you're part of the Shadowlands whanau, I hope he's doing your pieces, because Thunder's already started and seems like he's the only one at the moment. Oh, Soul Zero, come on, brother. Very Proximus. And make a tosh, thank you very much for the sub for the bits, my man. How can I find it? I find it in your streams helpful for study. I mean, Spotfox, if it helps with your study, man, that's a dub for me. That's all matters, brother. The study. Okay, maybe I should have checked out how I did the bead before I cut it off. See what it tastes like. Oh, bloody hell, guys. Thank you very much, whanau. Even though I'd rather not, people not hyping of the train. Much appreciated, whanau. Thank you very much. You didn't really have to, though. Mara will look after yourselves. Dark Angler. Bro, don't worry about it, brother. If times are hard, whanau, and you think of donating, you'll probably get timed out. It's the only way we can make you save your money for you. Sounds legit. Sounds like a pretty good reason to me, mate. Juicy Toaster. Just have a good day with the wahine, bro. Juicy Toaster, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated. This man's nose looking a bit thick. Hey, the nowhere kid. Cheer, my bro. Much love, big homie. Cheer, my brother. Thank you for the 3 months, my bro. You know you didn't have to either. Come on, guys. Christmas coming up. Cancel the subbies. How have you been going? Done the campaign yet? Yeah, Soul Zero. I finished the campaign. I've been pretty fatigued these last few days, eh? But too stubborn to admit it. Is that theft bastard? Did I say that right, brother? Thank you for the bits, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Going baby shopping with the wahine today. Wish me luck. Oh, call me Pandy. When you go into the girls' shops, bro, just sit outside and wait. If you have data, you'll win. You'll win the wait, brother. What games do you stream? Well, so far in Hades, I want to stream like console games too. Do you hear me? Oh, I don't know, brother. I don't know about that. Okay. I should have bought some Vivids yesterday. Love your music. Oh, good, Spud Fox. I'll try and update it more frequently too. MC Mum, thank you very much for the sub. Mumsy. Much appreciated. You got the PS5? Nah, bro, I missed out. All those sweaty guys that pre-ordered last year. It's all good though. Hey JT, chill my bro, you think you could stream some Minecraft? I mean, I probably dig the most magnificent hole there was to be dug on Minecraft. Chill and Phoenix, yeah, it's all good, eh? I was just laughing because it was pre-recorded and they're pretending like they were talking to me. I thought that was quite funny. The one I did with Panda, I don't know when that one's gonna be up. Oh, Marcus, by the way, thank you very much, good sir. Single-handedly added Māori onto my list of languages that I want to learn, and it's a short list. True, Booba. But I'll try and help out as much as I can, eh? Hold on, find it, so I'm just trying to figure out. I should have took a mental picture of the beard I just carved, eh? That I'm supposed to be carving. See, they added Kratos to Fortnite, eh? It's not tempting me enough to go back to the game, though. And then they added Master Chief, like the coding, and I'm like, fuck! Cheers, Ethnox, for the bits, brother. What are you carving today? Just trying to get more done on this Odin piece, brother, for UBISOFT. Congratulations on the commission. Thanks, brother. Bro, it's hard. Really hard. Hey, chill my bro, Donny. A gummy bear. Hey, cause I'm a gummy bear. Cause I'm a gummy bear. I want a something gummy bear. Chill my bro. Gonna apply for grassroots. Yeah, I've seen Hullytude's gonna have a go, which is mean. Hopefully Regan goes too. I won't be applying for any of those anymore. I don't need to. It's better to give the opportunity to the next. And I hope they crack it. Gee, Donny, how you been, my bro? But I've been meaning to come into your Discord, eh? To come and have a chat about editing, but it's too ranchy in there. But I like the sauce. Don't want a kitchen infection. What did I just do with my rubber? Oh, between the bed. Just testing streams. Oh, cheer. I love that cheersy. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, time to get a bit of Liama. Thank you very much for the bits as well. Time to get a bit of a Pelicans one now. Pelicans mana since day one. Where's your rubber? Vicky? What sculpture are you doing this time, my friend? I'm doing so I got asked by Ubisoft to do this, to try and carve Odin from the game. It's been challenging me really bad, eh? Like, far out. I feel like his mower's too big. Taura here o tēnei ki ngai tōku kaki.
She's a liar anyway.
Joey Wilkie, thank you very much, good sir. And Liama again. But thank you, Joey, for the bits, brother. Just remember, chat, I'm gonna be having a bit of a Christmas feed with you guys, eh? Because I won't be home. I will be home, you know, but it'll be Boxing Day for us, but for the majority of the chat or the whanau, it's going to be Christmas. Now I know it's because lockdown's still on, and some of our whanau members on here can't go and see their families. I'm gonna be eating with you guys in heaps till we have to put stretchy pants on. Just know that, guys, I'm gonna have a bit of a Christmas feed with you guys. Because of the pandemic. Yeah, sucks seeing what this pandemic's done, but better to be safe than sorry, really. Hey, thanks, Fanta. I feel like he has a beard like you. For a big bloke. Thanks, brother. Yes, if anyone's in lockdown and they can't go anywhere, feel free to join the stream on Boxing Day. Well, it'll be Boxing Day for us. Be Christmas for most of everyone. And if you can't be with whanau, come be with your Twitch whanau, eh? AKA us. It's just a thought I've had. And I'll be modding. I want all the mods not to be there. I want them to be with their whanau. Only if he's a keen, though. If he's aren't, then that's totally fine too. Alright, hey! Cheers for the 3 months, brother. Hey, Broxh, have a great Christmas. I will try, brother. Many barbecues will be consumed. Many fizzy drinks will be consumed as well. But at the end of the day, don't diet, just have a kai. Cheers. Toby Boy, thank you very much for the sub, brother.
Beautiful stuff.
Toby Boy, much appreciated, my bro. Welcome, brother. Hope you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, drop that down. Great idea. Yeah. Something I've been thinking about lately. And it only seems good to do that. Within me, anyway. So if it's 2-minute noodles, if it's a gourmet ramen pick, doesn't matter. I will see you there. Never mind the Boxing Day deals. That's just stand in line simulator. Feel like going for a bit of a trick as well. So the mo will stay up and the rest will drop. Nice thick panda. Bro, I watched Mandalorian last night, eh? Whew! It's the only thing from Star Wars that I'll ever watch. Mandalorian. What percent, bro? Probably the 20s. That's how bad I'm struggling. When you said hi to my mum the other day, she tried to say hi back and where she just screamed. Ah, that's cute. Hope you're having a good time with your family too, Fanta. It's been a while for you, eh? Because of the Broxh. Prenobo, so this is for Ubisoft, it's not for me. Well, if they want it at the end. Chilling here before I head to work. Oh, gee, nice, brother. Banana. Yeah, I have no idea what I'll be eating on Boxing Day. No doubt it'll be leftovers, but it's good leftovers. Usually around this time too, my in-laws go fishing a lot, so we'll have a stream on how not to go fishing. Cheer Pale Ale! Hello to Skyfishy, Iska, Leghorn and Eddie. Hello. How are you? Okay, yeah, I need to roll the face. You're a fan of soccer? No. Sorry about that. Yeah, nah. Okay, I'm just looking for a chisel that I currently can't find, so we'll use the smaller variation. You're a big Lakers fan? Since Kobe, brother. But I'm Pelicans mana now. It's all about supporting your local. Looking forward to seeing how he plays with the Zion Williams and all of them. And what's their name? Their ball boy, eh? The ball brother, whatever his name is. Good luck scoring in the paint against Zion and Steven. They're like two skyscrapers, eh? Hey, sad fish. Cheer, brother. Hey, the Lord Viking. Hello from Norway. I have a foster sister that has an education in woodworking like you're doing now, and she is very good at the same thing as you are. Oh, Lord Viking, she's probably bitter. But much appreciated for the 3 months, my bro. Thank you, brother. Could be better. Will be better. Thanks for sharing, brother. That's pretty cool. I need my 2. Okay, I need this. So I don't want to round it too much. So I've still got enough timber to work with. G'day from Aussie in Sweden. Hope you're doing well, mate. Love the streams. Cheer, Calix. Damn, brother. What do you do there, my bro? What's the largest and tallest carving you've ever done? Damn, that's a hard one. Bro, I don't know. Big. I've forgotten the measurements, eh, because it's been that long. The man Shams. Afternoon, brother. How are you? Let's make this forehead nice and fullet. Oh, that was Buzzy or Mups came in. Studying here, bro. Met a girl here on exchange, so moved over for. Nice, brother. Cold and dark here. Nice, brother. Congratulations. Audi versus Moana Pacifica. What's that, Soul Zero? Bro, I hardly TV, eh, so. Most of the time it's cocoa melon. And that drives me nuts. Ireland the swag. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. If you're a parent and you have to watch excessive amounts of Coco Melon. Shout out to you. Oh, true, rugby union. Bro, I didn't even know, brother. Yeah, bro. First time watching you, love your work, keep it up. Thanks, Papa. I'll try to, brother. Yo, Islander Slag, thank you very much for gifting 5 subs, brother. Oh, and another one. Holy cow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, calm down. Holy hell, brother. Bro, thank you, bro. I don't know what I did, but much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to. Oh. I don't pop in chat, but I stop by all the time to enjoy the vlog, brother. Yeah, that's all that matters, brother. Thank you very much, little bro. Hello. And then he did it again. Bloody nose. Much appreciated, brother. You didn't have to, bro. Honestly, but thank you, brother. Okay. Okay, bro. That's enough. That's enough. Thank you, brother. Hey, Kel. Oh, all good, Panda. You can just watch. It's about to get harder around this time of the year. With the whole Christmas season. I might sound stupid, but it's the multi-purpose chisels that you use a lot. The most thing. Oh no, it's just trust me, bro. There are carvers that have that one specific multi-purpose carver, but I just use what fits, really. I feel like this helmet's a bit offy. Oh, it looks awesome already. Thanks, brother. Fuafua Makura. Thank you very much, brother. The nose stays up. Oh, come on, bro. Gifted another 5. Holy cow, brother. Bro, I almost missed that. Thank you, bro. That's enough, please, brother. Here's the rest on presents, brother. Thank you, my bro. Straight up. Cheer, Bob, the build-ups. Yeah, well, I wanted that first, I think. Bloody hell. Okay, I need one for the eyes. Like the eye might be bigger. Sorry if I'm missing your comments, whanau. Gee, my word, that looks fucking mean. Gee, bro, yeah, getting there, brother. It's not where I want it to be, but the show must go on. From the Navy, free shit. Are you out on sea watching, brother? That's pretty handy. These beats are spell. Light cut here. I'm on shore duty. Oh, true, brother. So do you fire those big ass guns on the boats too? TFB Pigeon, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my man. From what I can see on this, it's got a bit of a tired look going on. One thing I'll definitely have to do though is so what you want to do with a human face, I kind of do. Ooh, she do fire the big ass guns. Oh, that's pretty neat. From what I can see, brow. Okay, I need me 12, 6. Yeah, bro. Yeah, almost time, eh? Father, year's almost over, whanau. Let's hope next year's not as crap as this one. No one is chucking foreign animals in their soup. No one's going full tin foil hit, and hopefully no one's not wearing half a mask in protest. Hey, Miguel. You went full tinfoil. Nobody goes full tinfoil. Gonna know, wondering how is this dude in the basketball jersey running and remembered you in the southern hemisphere. Hey brother. Yeah bro, I'm down here but still a little bit chilly. I just all my jerseys or sweaters have like baby spew on them. We have enough of COVID. Hard out. Mick Tavam, thank you very much for the sub, brother. How are you, my bro? Okay, I need I haven't carved a human face in ages. How's Broxh? She's good. Getting fat as, which is good. Do cracks in the wood ever form when you're working on it? Nah, it's usually when it's in the sun, brother. So I was in the sun yesterday and bro, I may have gone for a bit of a number 2 in the toilet and yeah, that's how long it took. That's how short it can take really for the sun to take effect on it. Okay. Oh, gotcha. That's crazy. It happens so quick. Yeah, bro. It'll usually so if the sun hits the end grain, which is usually the ends of your carving, it'll just split straight away. That's the most vulnerable part of the timber, is the end grain. If that makes sense, bro. I just blatantly forgot to, and then I was mid-wipe and then I just remembered. Anything you can do to protect from that? Oh, just keep it out of the sun, really. If you want to keep moisture on your timber, so when you finish working with it, just wrap it in a bag and tie it up and it'll keep all the moisture inside the timber so it can't escape. Hello Zig and Donico. Is the Bro Thunder applying for grassroots, bros? Or who's all applying for grassroots that you know? I know Hully's going for it. Okay, I have a goal for WoW too, whanau. Could you oil the wood with linseed? Yeah, you can do that. But I mainly only ever use linseed for when like the grain's a bit tough. So I've got some linseed oil at the back of me. Thunderkamba Reganus. Oh, the partners. Cheer, mean. Cheer, Maya. I will send mine out either today or if they can, or on Monday. Maya gave me my secret Santa last week or this week. I'm gonna be constantly looking back at the safe harness just so I don't physiark it off. Okay. So in the Māori culture, yep, we do carve human faces, but that's more of a, that's more modern than the traditional stuff that we do. Because we never carved human faces till obviously Christianity came along. Some of our ancestors converted to it, some didn't. Like even today, I don't really follow any other faiths other than Māori ones. How's it going in Shadowlands? Bro, mean bro. I'm still stuck up on what to level on Alliance. I love the Horde, eh? But man, it's really hard to level as a, or play any of the content as a Horde character because Alliance is the dominant faction, which is kind of teeth. I think we're opening them on Donnie's stream. Okay, damn, I better hurry up, eh? That's the only thing I don't like about WoW and OCE. They play the dumb faction. Ginger cheers, cheer! Oh, 8 months, brother. Holy hiccup! Thank you, my bro. Okay, that's done. Much appreciated for the 8 months, brother. It's almost been a year. I know there's a few Niners in the chat now. What server are you on? Bartholus, brother. Limit Max hit me up too to jam with him, but that's on Illidan, and I have no characters on Illidan, so I might just level up another warrior, or wonder if he cross round invite. I don't know. That's if he still wants to teach me. I don't mind if he doesn't, because they're obviously going to be busy with World Fests. Trying to make it look good, brother. It's hard, eh? Carving outside of what you're used to. Yeah, Elsarian, Warrior and Shaman are two of my favourite classes, along with Paladins, almost up there for me. Not as much because I don't like it that much due to the amount of rets there. I don't want to be a ret Andy unless Panda Paladins come out, which is probably a big ask. You normally want it dried. Oh, because it's better for carving, eh? If you have it dry, then the grain's going to break easier. Senpai, thank you very much for the 7 months, brother. This is not spell. Orange red these days for me, too. Yeah, I've always been a fan of Chamonix. Enhance isn't as strong as Elemental at the moment, but man, I'm a fan of Enhance more. I know everyone's playing Arms Warrior now because you just need to do one key, like Condemn, and you'll be at the top. But yeah, I like Warrior. I've always liked Warrior since Legion. The one who got me into Warrior was Bajira. Doesn't matter what wood you carve? No, as long as you can wood carve your knee. That's all matters. This needs to be way deeper. Sleepy streams. Cheer, bro. Killed off for the 2 months, my bro. Cheer, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Cheer, bro. Have a good day, Amanzingo. Way deeper. Okay. God damn. There's my lighter mallet. There it is. How are you? I've been a bit fatigued these last few days, but yeah, I'm all good. XDO carving Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla. This side, okay, yep, I'm doing that. Came here to smile, that's the one. Brutal Birdman, thank you very much, good fella, good brother, for the sub, my bro. Thank you. Doesn't have to, brother, but much appreciated. What are you doing? Trying to carve Odin from Assassin's Creed Valhalla, bro. Has the Prime Minister dropped by again? No. I haven't DM'd her in a while. Not since meeting her. Oh, okay. Oh, was not expecting that. Can you say it slower, please? What's that? Let me just go brush my hair. Here we go, brother. Yo, Uga, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Okay, here we go. That's for the boat. Ugh. Here we go. One more. There it is. Scud, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Awesome. Man, I want to play a Lamby, but Koti's scared. Okay, let me tie my hair up. Play some Fat Freddy's if only I could. Gotta remember that there's a DMCA law that's older than myself. You can't just play music willy-nilly these days because you get banned. And even if you have like permission from the band and the label themselves, it's still, they could probably still like give you a strike. And just can't be bothered going through the legal bullshit of trying to sort it out. That's why we don't play our favourite music anymore. Oh. Okay, carrying on. Just play old music. Yeah, you even can't even do that because they'll still ping you. Any music that's been recorded under a label isn't safe to watch or play. Whew. Yeah, it's a really shit situation, but got to adapt to. When are you gonna hit 2 mil XP? I have no idea what this is for. What's that for? Oh, I don't even like. I don't want to carve to Deruta Sandstorm, trust me. Like for instance, me, I have permission from LAB and their label to play their music, but at the same time, yeah, it's still scary to play their music because you know they'll probably try to pull the fast one on you. Play D&D and they say, what kind of character would you be? I don't know, Captain Squizzle. Yeah, no, never really thought about it. I watched Panda play D&D though. I just want to be a big ass bear of their calves. No, you can't even do that based. Say if LAB was here, oh, instead of LAB, no, Big Mountain, they were here and they sang one of their iconic songs, I can still get a strike for it. Unless they have songs that they have not released or given out to the public, then it might be safe to play. Big bear shape changer. Oh no, just be a bear. Someone asked if I could be like an NPC in the is it campaign Ah, you gave hard. Yeah, slush puppy. Like, I seen one streamer who had permission from the band, and also the label, and he still got a strike. It's just that kind of bullshit. I don't want to. They want to like put myself through, because then at the end of it, you just want to go to them and just punch them in the teeth. That's how annoying it would be. That's why I just, yeah, can't be bothered with that situation. Sasti Nick, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. And Chicken Mirror. I'm sorry about, bro, but I'm going to have to do. Oh, you're all good, Squizzle. Have a good one, brother. Thanks for dropping in. No need to say sorry, bro. You just join in whenever you can. Okay, let's get some of this mahunga done. Mahunga meaning head. Not to worry. Still though. Yeah. Like for instance, LAB has 2 new songs that they've released, and I really want to play them on stream. They're bloody good. Their latest song kind of reminds me of an old school reggae vibe, kind of like UB40. Cherry up, baby. Oh yeah, and you can even get pinged for singing it. That's another one too. That's why I need to watch out, because I enjoy singing. Oh damn, Tuna, thank you very much for the bits, man. Holy cow, that's heaps. Much appreciated, bro. That's enough, please. Don't have to send me any more, okay? Oh no. Who is this? Formerly known as Mad Cats. Gifted 5 subs. Whoa, holy hell, brother. Yeah, Lab has 2 of the Cora brothers in there. Stu and Brad. Yo, Mad Cats, thank you, brother. Holy cow. Yo, much appreciated, my bro. Man, that's a big IE. That's gonna have to be dropped some more. God damn. Hold on, find it. And it is quite a big eye too. I get the chance to catch your streams, but I got a quick question. I made furniture, steam gaming tables in the old open closet. I want to start putting some kind of border at some pieces. You mean like borders on your pieces, brother? Do you have any good starter literature tips? Oh. I just need to know what you mean by border, like carving an actual border on your piece, or that's the part I don't understand. Have a fantastic day. Oh, this guy gifting. My time here is done. No, thank you, brother. Okay, we might have to start dropping this down, eh? This is very challenging. Tuning in from Hackney, London. Freddy Cyclone loves you. Hey, cheer, brother. All the way from London, eh? I'll get you. It'll be late for you, eh? So go to bed. I know this. So this isn't going to be the height of the bed. Oh my god. Uga for life. Are you part of the Uga gang on WoW, bro? Oh, he gifted 10. What the hell? Okay, bro. What's your job? Holy hell, bro. Thank you, bro. Okay, chat. Let's guess his job. Oh, 10. RG Beats, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Hope you're well, my dude. GG for those. Philanthropist. I feel like he owns a shop that has a whole entire wall of first edition Charizards. That's my angle of what his job may be. Does strength matter with wood carving, or is it? No. You just carve how you want, really, brother. Nah, no, all good. Yeah, I think I'm pretty on the money, eh? I think I'm on point. He owns a vintage Nintendo store. Nintendo. And every time a new Smash character comes out, he holds a Smash reveal party all the time. Yeah, that's him. That's him. We're on. Do you plan on compiling all your woods done and making a gallery of them? I just put everything I do on Instagram, brother. Oh, Mandy. Man, speedy recovery to your mum, bro. Damn, that's sad to hear, brother. Hope she's okay, brother. Tuning in before I go to sleep. All good, brother. You are all good, bro. Ooh, this is nice and blunt. How's Shadowlands treating you so far, bro? Have you played it? Yeah, bro, I haven't been able to play it quite a lot with having a newborn. On top of that, my eldest daughter. It's hard to find time to play games. And when I do have the time, I'm tired, eh? I'm too fatigued to play games. And I've got a character to 60, but I haven't really been able to do much more. But it's all good though. Yo, Bearded Banjo, thank you very much for the 7, my bro. On the chest. Holy hell, much love, man. Glad to see you're keeping busy. Thank you, brother. Hope you're well too, my bro. Holy cow. Thank you, brother. On the bird chest, as C's would say. Yeah, man. If you and your mum find comfort here, Mandy, please feel free to jump in whenever you want. We are all here to help one another. It's really sad to hear. Damn, I hope she gets better soon. Yo, Osha Gunsberg. Hey, bro. Nice UBISOFT hookup, mate. Thanks, bro. Oh, man, I just hope I do it well, eh? I hope I do it well. How's the bubba? She's doing really well. Eating quite a lot, more than usual. She's as heavy as... How heavy would she be now? What did the midwife say? So she's 3 weeks old. She's as heavy as a 2-month-old now. She's getting bigger and stronger by the day. Good to hear these days are the most wonderful days. Yeah, that's definitely something I've really been enjoying. And at the same time, even though it makes me tired, just looking after her, it's all worth it in the end. How you been, bro? Much love, Rob Kobe too, brother. How much for small carving? It all depends. I'm not taking any commissions, bro, because it's almost Christmas. And, I'm just gonna do what I have. Do everyone's pieces that I have on me. Yeah, much love, J M Marks. I'm okay, man. In hospital recovering from hip surgery. Oh, damn. Hope you're recovering well, bro. Wait, you cycled too, eh? So, damn. What means Chef Whanau? It just means hello, family. So I don't see you as a community, I see you as family. Chur is like NZ slang for hello. Chur to the chur. Hey, Mikey. Hey Mikey, cheers brother. Yeah, life's going good so far, bro. Very busy I will say, in terms of trying to parent 2 kids now. Hope you're doing well, brother. Just shaping out our man's beard. What is the sculpture right now? I am trying to, Odin from Assassin's Creed for UBISOFT. So, yeah, because I don't normally do this type of carving. I do traditional Māori wood carving. And there have been a lot of scratch my head moments, I would say. You know what I'm gonna play? I like vibing out to. Much better. Yo, congratulations on that, but thanks, Mikey. Cheers, brother. Yeah, she's like 3 weeks now, 3 weeks old. She was born on the 10th of the 11th, 2020 at 8:20 PM. So we changed it to 24-hour clock. 2020. All my family were like buzzing out at the number. I was like, man, I hope this is a sign that she's going to be as smart as Sheldon and I can retire early. So sus, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Sam, well, I've been good, bro. Just tired, eh? Always tired. But that's just part of the whole thing of parenting. Can't really game as much. I couldn't sleep last night, so I watched Mandalorian. And that's good. I think I watched it 3 times. Definitely watched it 3 times. Yesterday. I really enjoy Mandalorian, eh? Like, I've never ever watched any of the Star Wars. Well, I did as a kid, but I had no choice. That was my grandfather's favourite thing to watch. No, it's all good, I'll just leave it down there. I've never really been into Star Wars, and well, Mandalorian is definitely something I enjoy from the franchise. I feel like it's Baby Yoda. Can't wait till season 2 finishes, then binge it. Fair enough, brother. Smart play, smart play. It's really good though, bro, straight up. Have you played Legend of Zelda? Only Ocarina of Time. I have not really played any of the other ones. Let me just fix this. Any of those Anaxi? Got a bit of a partai. Can you carve Baby Yoda? Bro, that'll be hard. Random Liam, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Nice, your V-Guard showed up. Nice, steady. But what did you get, brother? I need to get me some fishtails, eh? And some proper flats. Yeah, Sinuku. Oh man, I really enjoy it. If I send some, can I courier something today or do I have to wait till Monday? Man, I just hope they have like, oh, 12, nice. Fishtails, nah, there's a fishtail chisel, brother. It's like a flat, so it's something like this, but it's a skinny handle and then it fans out into a fishtail. Okay. So let me see this bed right quick. There's not much of a round on it from what I can see, so we will need a 2 to round the sides. I wish I could be this creative. I mean, you could start now. Hey. Ooh. What's stopping you from starting now, brother? Cheerio, cheerio, baby. Don't you know I'm in love with you? I can't believe it's you. Do, 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 do. Yeah, well, I think once Mrs. Broxh is ready to go shopping, then I'll send everyone over to him. I don't know when that's gonna be though. What's he drawing, Maya? You ever listen to Flight of the Conchords? Yeah. Especially because they're from here, eh? Had a chance to play Shadowlands, brother? Yeah, I have, brother. It's really enjoying it, eh? Compared to BFA, yeah, it's really good. Dare I get in trouble for saying it? I do not know, but I'm just being honest. Because I'm not right there. When are you coming back to the Horde? Oh, I've been leveling my warrior. What a whanau, I really need a juice. Okay. Feel like this is the Zelda that set the bar for the other ones. For sure. For sure. Hope you're having a good day. Hey brother, yeah, I'm having a good day, brother. Hope you are as well. There you go. We need a bit of a contrast on the old beard. So the mow is obviously the high point. From the nose, so the nose and the end of the mow will be the high points. Well, the nose more really. Yeah. What flows to the nose does not go on my clothes. Oh, can I send my thing today, or will it get denied till Monday? I just hope there's a box that can fit it, eh? Have you played any Rockstar games? Yeah, Grand Theft Auto, you know. More of a Red Dead fan, though. Well, you did alright, boy. I missed my copy of Red Dead. I might go to EB and see if they got a pre-owned one. Couldn't find it in the end. Depends on your post office, my bro. Okay, yeah, I'll go and ask them today. You did alright, boy. He's such a good voice actor. I still have the videos of them contacting me as well. Probably one of the buzziest days I've ever had. Meeting, getting a video from some of the voice actors of one of your most favourite games. I actually got a letter from Dutch as well. The voice actor for Dutch, he sent me a letter, a postcard. I'm gonna frame that. BDD from, yeah. If the post office is closed, you can do overnight shipping on Monday. That's what I did. Okay. Typical. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Who's my favourite character? So we gotta push the beard up a bit more. I might just focus on half of the face for now. Yeah, bro, I was jumping up and down there. Mrs. Broxh was looking at me like, what the hell's wrong with you? Hey, Russ Rages. The song video of satisfying videos. So I'm just trying to drop the beard down and then we'll get a good flow going on. So I'm just looking at the picture now. Seems to drop down from here downwards from halfway. Lucky I'm not there. Cheer, bro, have a good one, Ed Mahi, brother. I really just want to keep using that small chisel, but yeah, no, I'll keep using it. This is almost too relaxing. Get a good flow going on. Big song. Hello, Kawaii Nitro. Macy Ward, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Let's try and drop this beard down here. Hello, Sleepy. Get another round going on. Here we go. Oh, this is going to be an annoying section here. Oh, damn knot. How do you sharpen your chisels? I tried sharpening my cheap set, but I still can't get any smooth passes without a hammer. Oh, I use a whetstone, brother. Preferably I like to manually sharpen my chisels, but you can use like a sharpening wheel as well. But those cost a lot. I would get a sharpening wheel, but because I work outside in an open shed and I have nowhere to store them, I probably won't. These are not right there. What's your favourite timber? Anything really. Anything that's easy to carve. But at the same time, I like carving shit timber as well. Presents a good challenge. Should be enough. Is that enough? For the moment, I feel like it's not. What are you carving today? I'm just trying to keep working on this piece for UBISOFT. It's a commission of Odin from the game Assassin's Creed. I haven't played it yet. Stayed away from spoilers as well for when the day comes. But yeah, this is our variation that we're carving from the game. Sue Midoken, thank you very much for the 3 months. Hey, much appreciated. Beautiful work. Thank you. Hopefully it gets better. Hopefully. Nice to meet you. Wish you good health and luck with the streams. Thank you, Dickley. Thanks, brother. Nice chill set day. Friday for some, but a nice chill set day nonetheless. People! Hey, cheer, brother. Now this is epic. Cheer, people, for the 5 months, brother. Always goes with woodworking. Yeah, that's what I found out too, bro. I think that's why I listen to it most of the time, eh? Since the MCA's in. So I just, rock away with this. Hydrate and a posture check, okay. Okay. We'll do this. I was up till like 4 o'clock last night. I jumped into Quinn's stream and he's like, "What are you doing up? You should be asleep." Have you travelled New Zealand? I love the country. No, I haven't travelled much of New Zealand, even though I live here. Yo, I love the honesty. Oh, doll. You don't have to do that, brother. Honest. Well, much appreciated, man. Yeah, you gotta think about the mods too. You don't want them to stay up late. They got their own lives too. Anyone else get contagiously happy when they get... Oh. Sure, brother. You know how much you mean to me. You never turn away from love. You never turn away, you're right there. No, thank you, thank you. For real, man, you deserve it. Oh, I don't know. But thank you, brother. I don't know, brother. If I'm tired, I'll go to sleep. Just do my brain. Help out. We will. Ah. Is there a way to turn notifications off for mods? Especially the ones that live here. I'm come from Estonia, visited Australia for 2 years, got to visit NZ for a month as well. It's awesome, keep up the good work. Thanks, brother. It's like Kiwi Bob Ross. As you all know, always need a happy cloud. I actually watch his streams quite a bit during the weekends, eh? Believe it or not, when I'm playing WoW, most of the time. Nah, bit. Get a bit. Draw the beard back in, cut the lines out, shape the beard. No, and I love the events. Thanks, man. If you want to check out who did them, his name is Thunder Punch. The mods will shout him out. He is actually live now. Go through and tell him he is the best. And the Nacho accent as well. 5 days till Cyberpunk. Damn, we're getting closer. Let's not jinx it. Night Sergeant. Hey, like in Shadowlands, bro, that's so good, eh? I really need to level up my beloved Horde Warrior. To me, I feel like Warrior is an orc only class. It suits orcs more, I should say. That's just my opinion. I know there'll be some Alliance Andes in the chat going, no they don't. Who are you? The nerve! Hey, Patrick. Cheer, brother. I'm doing good, bro. Doing good. Oh, and the speediest of all bets. Cheer, my bro, for the 4 months, brother. Holy damn. Much love, brother. Just doing a speed draw of our beard. Are there cracks in the wood? Yeah, that's what wood naturally does, eh? If it's exposed to the sun. Something you get used to after a while. Okay, that needs to be flattened out a bit. That matters most of all, yeah. How's the gaming side of streaming? Oh, bro, it's hard to stream for ages. Stream games for ages for me, eh? So I feel like I'm getting boring. How do you record your streams, bro? Because I tried to download it through Twitch and it took 10 million years and nothing happened, so I just turned it off. Makura koe he manaki awhinatia mai aho. Ace Walker TV, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Oh, the record button. True, so you push live and then you push record at the same time. I always wondered about that bloody thingy. Oh no, someone found it. And that's a $10 dono. Oh no. Artie Dane, thank you very much for the sub, brother. And then, oh, $10 from the bro. Was a sneaky Pop Tart. Oh my god, $75. Bro, that's at least a big present for yourself. Holy crap, guys. Still making Odin, brother. Yeah, bro, still going. Latency, got him. Yeah, oh my god. Thank you, whanau. Fuck. Save your fellas money, whanau. It's the Christmas period, please. Holy crap. This is the time when Christmas hams are needed to be bought. Unless you don't like ham, but I feel like you do. Oh, sorry if you're vegan too, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, tōna ingoa Maya. What's his name? Ah, still official. I have to say it, eh? Because that's me. That's who I am. Have you ever gotten splinters? No, I've got crocodile skin underneath my hands, brother. Well, it's hard. It's not literal crocodile skin, but you know, from the years of doing this on timber. Yeah. Hashtag half renekton. Oh, cheers, Sneaky. Fucking hell, bro. Okay. Just thinking about it now. Since it's the Christmas season, I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan to me. Yep, so after today I'll be taking that bloody thing off so people can focus on themselves and their Christmas feeds. Missing at least the tip of his fingers. Oh, that's if you're being a muck around, eh? Yeah. I like my fingers, I need them for playing WoW in LoL. I'm a Lord of Science. Cheer, brother, for the 4 months. Hello, fellow Broxes. Cheer, brother. I need my fingers to play games. I mean, just looking at it now, if I'm holding the control here, it's like that. So I pretty much use these to push X and all that. Yeah. Hey, Jiggy. Can't argue with that. I've been debating today. Yeah, it took me ages, Donnie? Like, I still felt bad. I just follow you. just follow me, and just drop my melon and you pick it up, eh? Yeah, nah, I'm taking that damn button off after stream today. Especially with the Christmas period. I'll do that every year. Sounds like a good plan to me, that's for sure. Have you heard about those monoliths appearing? Yeah! Those are silly, eh? The splinters. Yeah, the one in Romania wasn't sanding down quite good, eh? I was like, man, whoever used that orbital was shit. Yeah, the one in Romania wasn't really sanded down very well. Watching from Morocco. Hey, brother. Cheers, Sneaky. Yeah, I'm just me, brother. Yeah, I crack up at these monoliths too. Even I seen a TikTok where these two people go over, and you're like, there's a lady that's looking at it. Eh? So here's the lady. She's looking at the monolith, and you see between underneath her arm to the back, you can see like a reptile at the back. And I was like, come on, man, that's the old school Godzilla outfit. Oh no, who's it from? Llama Lord. Hey, you take your llamas back to Fortnite, eh? Okay, Llama Lord. Thank you very much for the $10, my bro. Much appreciated, brother. Back to carving. Yeah, brother, back to carving. Thank you, Llama Lord. You didn't have to, brother. Fella trying to capitalise before I take it off. You sneaky bugger. I might treat myself to a chisel. We're in the end game now. Why do I hear boss music? Listen. 16-bit balls coming. Still can't give myself a jawline. Oh god. How do you pronounce it? It's Rotorua. So roto sounds a bit like T-O-R-E, tor, without the R, so Rotorua. Ru, so R-U-A, so you just pronounce it like an A-H. Cindy, no. Hey, cheer by the snuff. Hey, cheer my bro. Hope the dicks are coming along well too, brother. Wow, that's pretty mean watching you do those. Just running out his beard, bro. Gotcha. Thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Now that's on 21 Jump Street, eh? Cindy, Hey, Ron, J. Quinn. Take his ass to Shea Hennessy's office now! It's O'Shaughnessy. Hey, Ron. Now there better be an Aaron in here. Oh, shite, almost tripped. Jay Quellen. We have a Jay Quellen up in here. Okay, I might play one lab song, eh? One of the old ones to be safe. D-Nice. D-Nice. I want to try this again because I'm genuinely curious. What's that, brother? I don't know, man. I don't work when the company tell me. Broxh, where did you get the love of wood? Oh, okay. So sneaky. It's a sneaky. Cheer, bro. So I was introduced to Māori wood carving by my uncle at a young age, at 12 to be exact. So I don't normally do this type of woodwork. This is the first time I've tried to carve anything outside of the cultural carving that I do. But my uncle is a traditional Māori wood carver as well. And bro, as a young kid, I wanted to work in the art department for Blizzard, brother. And like every Friday we would have subjects outside of your like normal school subjects. So wood carving was one, cooking, and also flax weaving, which is another really key component that our ancestors used. And well, I just thought to myself, oh, my uncle's here, so I may as well try what he has and see how it goes. And well, brother, at a young age I've always loved my culture. Love it, I live and breathe it. There's nothing else I want to do. There was nothing else I want to do other than haka, do haka, traditional Māori war dance, and then carving came along. I'll turn that down. Carving came along and kind of like ignited a new flame, and then my uncle was watching me and realised I had a knack for it. Only to realise that there are quite a few carvers in our family tree, not only on my mother's side, on my grandmother's side, on my grandfather's, sorry, but also on my mother's side where I am now. We have strong carving links amongst our family, and yeah man, I live and breathe this now, and this is pretty much what I've been doing since the age of 12. Whether it be for no money or for money, I was still doing it. Like I wouldn't do anything else. After 7 years, choose then, Tom. Maybe there's an opening. Ah, yeah, no, I'm all good. Thank you, Sneaky Pop-Tart, though, for the question. But yeah, most of the time, brother, I usually do traditional Māori woodcrafts. So you can, there's a lot on my Instagram. If you want to check it out, you don't have to. So I've been carving since I was 12 and now I'm 29. With no sign of stopping. So I was made redundant earlier in the year. And I just thought to myself, oh, I may as well have a go at carving on stream, see how it goes. And yeah, it's been pretty fun. There you check it. Yeah, it's been one hectic ride, eh? But I'm enjoying being with everyone here. Just sharing. One of the main reasons why I do it on Twitch is just to share. Also, just try and catch the attention of the younger generation, eh? Because that's what it's all about. Because they're the ones that are going to carry it on. Not me. Just got to pass it on. And just show our people that are living around the world that if they miss home, then probably call this place home for now. A little slice of home. And just making a nice place to chill for everyone, really. That's the main, those are the main reasons why I do it. Been a while since I've been here. Australia work and school have kept me busy. Currently stressed with my move and finals. Oh, you'll crack it, Wes. Jesus, I reckon you'll crack it, brother. Easy. You'll be all good, brother. Okay, I think I can hear my child awake. I think it's Christmas shopping time soon. Don't know how we're gonna do it. Just try and avoid the toy section. I was actually gonna think of popping the question this year, but I think I'll hold off for now. Just with our newborn. She's quite the full-on. Maybe this time next year I'll pop the question. The question, bro. Cheers, Sneaky Pop-Tart, brother. And I swear he's a national treasure. True, Knox. I wasn't even on yesterday. True, bro. I was asleep. Thanks, brother, for... I was gonna... So I've been thinking about this for the last 2 years now. maybe next year. I'll plan it for next year. Popping the question to Mrs. Broxh. I've always wanted to. Do you like Harry Potter? You dare use my own spells against me? You dare use my own spells against me? Potter! Yeah, we'll see how 2021 is first, but it's on the radar. Hope you are. Cheer, miss you. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. All good. Hope you are too, bro. Working on this beard. Some impressive chops there, Odin. 2021 is going to be poggers. A little something. There's something planned. I'm not going to say what it is. You will find out next month. That's all I'm going to say. You'll find out next month. Albert Top, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Yeah, so I got something planned. I'm not going to say what it is, but should be good, should be good. Man of mystery. Bruce Wayne. Oop. I need to make these more round, I feel like. Oh no, they're actually not that round. Where you get your carving ideas from? So this isn't an idea, was a request from UBISOFT. They were the ones that asked if I could carve Odin from the game, but they also acknowledge that they know this isn't what I typically do. And I went, oh, that's nice, they acknowledged that. Went too quick. Yo, Slay Yols, thanks for the 5 months, brother. Bro, this year's gone really quick, eh? Oh, thanks, dude. Oh, sneaky. Bro, are Pop-Tarts young? There's like an international lolly or candy store here, and I really wanted to try one. I've always looked at them every time I walk past. I better buy some wrapping paper too. Me and Mrs. Broxh get really competitive with who's a better wrapper. She likes to boast a lot at her wrapping, and I'm like, ah, oh, please. Get a room. Pop-Tarts. Yeah, yeah. Random ass fly. Make sure you put it in a toaster. Oh, okay. What about a microwave? Or is toaster more preferred? Might try one for the first time. Or the freezer, depending on the flavour. Okay. I might just get a basic one for now to see what it's like. Just dude's beard looks like hot cross buns. Someone's getting hungry. What's on state you would like to visit? What's one state you would like to visit that you haven't been to? I actually have no idea. There are places that I'd love to visit one day. Definitely want to go to America for BlizzCon, but you know, it's a bit dangerous there at the moment. Scotland, Ireland, all those types of places, Iceland as well. Switzerland, man, there's so many places I want to see in my life in so little time. I want to go to Queenstown. I've never been to Queenstown. That's local. Okay, Kanejo, you've pretty much asked that twice now, haven't you? Pim Gritter and Melty L, thank you very much, you guys, for subbing. You did not have to, but much appreciated. At the moment, we are carving Odin's beard. It looks really hot cross bunny. Yeah, BlizzCon would be sick. Yeah, man, I'm probably gonna have the maddest lawgasm, or wowgasm, whatever you call it. Nerdgasm. Beard's looking better. I want it rounded more, but I'm following the picture. They didn't cancel BlizzCon. Isn't it online this year? Next month, eh? I think I'll attend for the first time. I've never really attended that kind of stuff. Go forth and conquer. Nah, Holyfield, this is the first time, brother. Does this even count as an audit carving since it's from the game? This is the way. The hot fudge sundae Pop-Tart is pretty good. Okay, I'm guessing I have to put that one in the toaster too. Maybe they'll announce Diablo 4. Haven't really played much Diablo, brother. I'll be honest. I'm just WoW Andy, brother. Yeah. I got Warcraft 3 as well. I've been playing a bit of that even though people didn't like it. I enjoy it. Keep getting asked if I'm gonna play Classic. I probably don't. I'd have no mates to play it with, so probably not. The combined forces. Latino heat. Ooh, a la, a chit, a steel. Orale. Eddie Guerrero. It's one of my favorite wrestlers. A stubborn beard there, Odin. fun. Just trying to do this beard, and then yeah, we're prepping the beard at the moment. Holyfield, I can the haka. If that's what you're looking for. Oh, this side's going to be annoying. Bloody knots. Yeah, bugger. Odin, why did your beard have to be on a knot? Good morning, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. Afternoon for us. Where are you from, brother? If it's morning. Is our main man still drawing? Cheers, wasabi. Thanks, brother. Much appreciated, my dude. Okay. Whew. This is going to be an annoying bit. Knots tend to be really brittle sometimes, and in those rare instances, I've come across a brittle one. Thanks, Index. I'll do my best, brother. Okay. Looks like a brick. Oh, it's timber that I molded into a mallet. That's all it is, just a mallet, brother. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, bro. Shader. Slowly getting a shape going on. There you go. It's going to be a bit of a difficult section with having to go up. There you go. Smell fried chicken, I'm gonna get dinner. Gee, bro. Yeah, I think I have to dip. I have to dip too. Then do our Christmas shopping. I just want to try and get a bit of this done on the beard and then call it a day. Please don't mention food at 3 AM. Okay, yeah, no, he's looking pretty good for today. I might try and do some more off stream later, depending on my kids. Okay, yeah, that's him for today. Carving stay out there overnight. No, take it inside. Yeah, most of the time I'll take them inside, brother. Okay, yeah. that's us for today, whanau. Thank you very much. Chippy Dale, thank you very much for the sub, my man. Okay, whanau, we got quite a bit done today. We'll win this section. We've got our beard moulded. We've got to do the mow. We'll do some more tomorrow. For sure, definitely for sure, we'll do some more tomorrow. Yeah, from what I can see, it's good progress. It's better than no progress, that's for sure. Sorry I can't stay long, whanau. Yeah, it's the weekend and we got to get all the Christmas shopping done before the mad lag begins with everyone, all the last minute people like us. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, whanau. Yeah, we got a bit done. So tomorrow we'll do the other side too, and then we'll start drawing our lines on for later. So you kind of get that hair looking flow. Okay, so I'm going to pass these over now to Thunder. I think the raid is going through. Hope you enjoyed, chat. Let me know if it's going through. So now I have to deal with the struggle of toy shopping with a 2-year-old that we aren't going shopping for her, but she's probably going to think it's for her anyway. Screaming child incoming. So ladies and gentlemen, wish me luck. Have a good one, and sure, I'll see you later. Thank you for joining me.